Hello, welcome to our home. Imagine getting back 10 to 20 hours every week without working longer. Sounds impossible. Thanks to AI, in today's video, I'm going to show you 10 AI tools that can automate repetitive work, help you write faster, create images and videos, organize your tasks, and boost your productivity. Some of these tools are free to get started, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which ones are worth your time. Let's get started. Number 10, Perplexity AI. Have you ever spent hours searching Google for one answer? Perplexity AI changes that by giving you direct answers with sources. Instead of opening 10 different websites, you can ask one question and get a clear summary in seconds. It's perfect for students, professionals, and anyone doing research. Time saved every week, around 2 hours. Number 9, Grammarly. Writing emails, reports, or social media posts can take longer than expected, especially if you're constantly checking grammar. Grammarly helps by correcting mistakes, improving clarity, and suggesting better wording while you write. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or business owner, it can help you communicate more confidently. Time saved every week, 2 to 3 hours. Number 8, Canva AI. Creating graphics used to require design skills. Now, Canva's AI features can generate presentations, social media posts, logos, thumbnails, and marketing materials in minutes. Even beginners can create professional-looking designs. Time saved every week, about 3 hours. Number 7, Notion AI. If your notes are scattered everywhere, Notion AI can help. It can summarize meeting notes, organize projects, brainstorm ideas, and even draft content. Think of it as a smart workspace that helps keep everything in one place. Time saved every week, 3 to 4 hours. Number 6, ChatGPT. One of the most versatile AI tools available today is ChatGPT. It can help write articles, generate business ideas, summarize long documents, explain difficult concepts, create emails, and even help with coding. Instead of starting from a blank page, you begin with a strong draft that you can refine. Time saved every week, 5 or more hours. Number 5, ElevenLabs. Need a professional voiceover without recording your own voice? ElevenLabs creates realistic AI voices in multiple languages and accents. It's especially useful for YouTube creators, educators, and businesses producing video content. Time saved every week, around 4 hours. Number 4, CapCut AI. Video editing can be one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation. CapCut's AI features can automatically generate captions, remove background noise, suggest edits, and speed up the editing process. It's a great option for creators who want polished videos without spending hours editing. Time saved every week, 5 hours. Number 3, Claude. Claude is another AI assistant that's especially helpful when working with long documents. It can summarize reports, analyze files, brainstorm ideas, and assist with writing projects. If you regularly deal with large amounts of text, Claude can make the process much faster. Time saved every week, 5 to 6 hours. Number 2, Google Gemini. Google Gemini integrates with tools like Gmail and Google Docs. It can draft emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, and help organize your work across Google's ecosystem. If you already use Google Workspace, it can become a valuable productivity assistant. Time saved every week, around 5 hours. Number 1, Microsoft Copilot. It works directly inside Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Imagine creating presentations in minutes, analyzing spreadsheets instantly, summarizing long email threads, or generating reports with AI assistance. For many office workers, Copilot can save several hours every single week. Estimated time saved, 6 to 10 hours. Final thoughts. AI isn't about replacing people. It's about eliminating repetitive tasks so you can focus on work that matters. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, freelancer, or content creator, using just a few of these tools can make a noticeable difference in your productivity. The best approach is simple. Choose 1 or 2 tools, learn them well, and gradually add more as your workflow grows. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical AI tips, productivity tools, and technology updates every week. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which AI tool saved you most time? Or which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.